So many a time, even while cooking, sometimes the taste is wonderful. Same ingredients, same thing, same material. See, वही बनिया के पास हम लाते हैं, फिर भी it tastes different because your concentration is not there. So many a time, what is required, a proportion may not be there. So means every time it differs, it is because of this. And many a time it has been said, the feeling. It is not for the selling you are doing. When you are doing for the family people, when you feel positive and you cook something, so that will carry in the cooking aspect. That love, affection. Most of the time people go home to eat the food, irrespective of the thing. Even the office spends for the 5-star hotel food, but people love to have a home food because the home food there is a feeling. In a hotel food, restaurant food, there is no feeling. So the people go for the feel, and the feel comes when a member of the family they cook. The affection is that this person like this taste. Some may like sugar in the food. Some may like spicy in the food. Some may like salt in the food. So it's a different taste of the members. The ladies member knows about it, and as a result, it adds into it. So that concentration. Then interpersonal relationship I have said, and about that the positive attitude. About that is the positive. When you do the laughter, it makes you positive in the life. And to be positive, it is ultimately a practice will make you a positive. To be positive, it is very easy. We'll advise everyone. But when it comes to us, to be positive is the most difficult thing. We can advise the children, okay, you should not be angry. But the next moment something happens and we are angry, and children might say to you, hey, Papa, what are you doing? So over a period of time, you have to make a practice. Come on, cool. All is well. All those things makes a difference in the life of the people. And as I said, now I'll talk something of the laughter. See the laughter yoga, laughter therapy, laughter club, they are ultimately the same thing. The laughter yoga means it is in the two part. One is the breathing part and second is the laughter part. The laughter part means gives you more of the facial exercise, and the breathing part, it will take care about the upper portion in chest, lungs and other part. And apart from that, yoga, there are some exercise, and that exercise is being included in the laughter. There are various laughter, there are as many as 50 laughter. So some of the exercise which limbs, your arms will get it, your legs will get it, your stomach will get it, and those exercises are called, along with the exercise and the laughter together, called the laughter yoga. And this is the ancient thing now. Nothing has been invented. It has been known to every individual from the birth. When you were just 2 months old, you were smiling, laughing 300 times a day. 300 times a day. And nothing was taught by the parents. It is a God-given wonderful gift to every individual. And even sometime in the sleep, you may find the children are laughing, smiling. Good smile on the face. And moment those things are there, the whole family gather there to see, they get astonished. They get surprised. Look at the child. Even in the sleep, the child is doing. But the senior, have you ever seen that? Even in the dream, we cannot think of those things. Because we are full of stress, full of tension. When a child is there, they don't have a tension. When the tensions are not there, so हम लोग बार-बार हम कहते हैं कि बच्चे बनो. बच्चे बनना बहुत आसान नहीं है, बहुत तकलीफ है. आपने देखा होगा कि जब छोटे बच्चे रहते हैं, कि whether it is a family member or a neighboring child, if they fight, within 5 minutes they are playing together. They are sharing the food. Can that happen with the adult? Impossible. So हम लोग बार-बार कहते हैं कि बच्चे बनाओ. अगर हम बच्चे बनेंगे तो स्ट्रेस रहेगा ही नहीं, टेंशन रहेगा ही नहीं, दूसरी मोमेंट हम भूल जाएंगे. ठीक है, घटनाएं कुछ बनती है, अनबनाव कुछ होता है, कुछ बातें बनती है, लेकिन वी कैरी ऑन फॉर द इयर्स टुगेदर. And among the family, even the smallest things makes the family ruin. They divide, and many a time division among the brothers, father, mother is divided, or divorce are there, and all those things, it is because of the smaller things. So there are various things, but the laughter teaches you how to be positive in the life, how to have a good interpersonal relationship. The moment हम कुछ देते हैं और कुछ छोड़ देते हैं, तो हमारी समस्याएं कम हो जाती हैं. हम कुछ देते हैं, हमारा हाथ ऊपर रहता है, हमने कुछ दिया, यानी कि क्या है मालूम है, किसी ने कुछ कहा, कुछ हमने सुन लिया, हमने कुछ रिस्पांस नहीं दिया, तो छोड़ दिया हुआ. और अगर हमने कुछ दिया, उसने हमारे से परमिशन मांगी, हमसे कुछ पैसा मांगा, कि हमसे कुछ बातें मांगी, कि हमसे कुछ फेवर मांगी और हमने कर दी, तो कभी टेंशन नहीं आएगा. हमारे वर्क प्लेस पे है, सोसाइटी में है, कि हर दुनियादारी में अगर हम छोटी छोटी बातें सीख लिए तो कभी टेंशन नहीं होता. एक बहुत सुंदर एक किस्सा मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि there was a family, husband, wife and a daughter. Daughter got married, and on a marriage day, the mother gave her a one passbook. On a first balance, she wrote, "This is a gift from the mother for your marriage." The daughter asked, "What is the purpose of this passbook, mother?" The mother said to her, "This is a passbook. Whenever there is a good occasion in your family, along with your husband or in the family, you put a deposit of your choice and write a remark against that and keep on doing it." She had a various occasion, birthday, anniversary, the child has come, child first birthday, child schooling, the husband got increment, he has got the promotion, and all those things. The passbook was filled about 5 pages. And after about 10 years, the husband and wife, they had a strained relationship. In a smaller aspect, they tried to fight out each other. They tried to quarrel each other. They had quite a reasonable good flat. They were sleeping in a different room. So ultimately one day, the daughter phoned mother. Said, "We are not keeping good, so we are going to separate." Then she inquired about, what about the passbook? The mother said, "You go to the bank, withdraw the balance, and the passbook will be over. No account will be there." Accordingly, the daughter went to the bank. Next day she went to the bank. She tries to read every occasion, 5 pages full of the occasion, and she cried. She could not withdraw the bank. She could not write the check. She came back and she put the passbook, checkbook, everything in the husband's room. She did not do anything. She put the passbook, checkbook, everything in her husband's room. In the night, husband comes. He saw the passbook. He read the various things. He realized that there were so many occasions which were good for the family, which were there to tie up the family, which were there as a good occasion in the family. And these were the trifle issue on which we have fought. What he did, he went to the bank, he deposited 5,000 rupees and wrote, "I have been awakened. I have been awakened by putting a passbook in my room. So the 5,000 rupees is for that." And he put that passbook along with the checkbook back to the wife's room. She came running. Both were crying. They came very close to each other, tried to realize their mistake, tried to confess their error, and as a result, the family became again together. So try to remember the every good occasion of life. There are hardly a few occasions we try to memorize time and again, and which may result ultimately into the separation of the family. But this good occasion, if you remember, so you will never be separated, whether it is a father, mother, whether it is a brother, whether it is a husband, wife, or any other thing. So we have got a laughter for those things. We have got a laughter for those things. We try to remember the good